welcome back to my channel. So I was not uploading videos since past 2 weeks on YouTube cause I was in Delhi. If you follow me on Instagram, you know I am in Delhi. That's the reason I was not getting time to film and also edit cause I don't have my PC here. I edit on PC. So that's the reason I was not able to edit my video. But now I am back to Mumbai, so I thought fatafat I'll upload video and I'll try to upload more and more video cause पिछले 2 weeks से video नहीं डाला है. So yeah, I'll upload more video. And now today I will be doing a Miniso haul. In Delhi I went to a Miniso store and I really love all the things. Like they have really cute things. Like if you know, it is a Japanese brand and you can get their cute little funky things. So I got many things and I thought I'll show it to you guys, and yeah, that's the reason I'm creating this video. So if you want to know what I got from Miniso, so please keep watching till the end and also make sure you hit the subscribe button, and let's start. The first thing that I'm going to show you is this. This is like a eyelash curler and this is how it looks. Wait, I'll open this. And usually वो normal eyelashes curler होता है, मुझे वो नहीं चाहिए था क्योंकि ये थोड़ा funky है, so I got this one and this is how it looks. So basically इसको यहाँ से open करना है and then you can use it. As you can see. So this was for 190 rupees, which is pretty reasonable क्योंकि normal eyelashes curler भी अगर drug store eyelashes curler देखो वो भी 150-200 तक तो आता ही है. So I find this cute and थोड़ा unique also. So I got this from Miniso and also it curls your eyelashes perfectly. So I love it. The next thing I'm going to show you is this storage box. You won't believe this storage box is only for 90 rupees, as you can see, and you can store your jewelry, earrings, all of that stuff if you're traveling. Like if you're traveling, your earrings, jewelry get lost many of the times. Like मेरे साथ तो बहुत बार ऐसा होता है. So that's the reason I got this box, क्योंकि इस box में रख दूँगी तो कुछ घूमेगा नहीं है. And also this is so handy and easy to carry. So this looks nice and also 90 rupees is very affordable. The next thing I have to show you is this container. I have filled it with makeup remover and this is how it looks. ये भी शायद 90 rupees का ही था, इसका tag निकल गया है. So I don't know. मैं link down कर दूँगी description box में. I would recommend you to visit Miniso store so you can get many multiple options for product. And I'll link down everything in the description box. Amazon का link. So if you want, you can buy. And yeah, as you can see, you can fill this with any like moisturizer or whatever you need. And you need to press from this side, and yeah, this is how you can use it. So the next container is this. This is also for 90 rupees and it has a spray from this side, so you can fill anything whatever you want to. The next thing I got is this pouch. It is 3 का set. I'll show you अंदर का 2 भी. And this is how it looks. ये something 500-600 something around वो का था. And this is how it looks. Like this is useful to store your makeup in one place. Like if I'm going out somewhere, all सब जगह पे makeup हो जाता है. So I can use this pouch to store all my makeup. And this is a huge pouch. Like it can contain so much. So I got this. And this is how it looks. The next pouch is this. This was 3 का set. So the second one looks like this. And the third one looks like this. So I think this pouch is so cute. Like 3 का set 500-600 में is very reasonable, and you can store lots of things in this pouch. Like this is huge, not small. This is huge. So you can store everything in this. So this is very cute and I like it. So the next is this Miniso makeup brush, and this is how it looks. As I told you, Miniso has some cute and funky things, and as you can see, this makeup brush is also so cute and funky. ये दिख रहा होगा, this is kind of rose. Like I don't know कैमरे में दिख रहा है कि नहीं, but in real it looks like a rose. And this was for 259 rupees, and this is very soft, like so easy to use. This is a makeup brush, and ऑल्सो दिस इज़ वेरी हैंडी एंड यू कैन टेक इट एनी वेयर. लाइक मेकअप ब्रश को बहुत ज़्यादा स्पेस चाहिए होता है, बट दिस इज क्यूट सा स्मॉल एंड या you can try this. The next thing I have to show you is this cute beauty blender. Don't you think this is so cute? I just love this. Also this comes with a stand. Like this is nice na, and this was for 260 rupees. थोड़ा सा costly but still this is so cute. Also इसके ऊपर इसका face और eyes बना हुआ है, इस वजह से बहुत ज़्यादा cute लग रहा है. And this is how it looks. Also this sponge is very soft and easy to use, so I would recommend you to buy this because this is really very cute and yeah, mainly तो ये cute लग रहा है, इसके लिए I would recommend you to buy. And yeah, the second thing I got, that is this face mask. So this is for 250 rupees and इसमें 40 pieces है, as you can see the लिखा हुआ है. So you can make your own face mask. Like you can open this and create your own, like you can use it in rose water or maybe any kind of pulp, और जो तुम्हें DIY face mask बनाना है, you can use this and apply it on your face. So this is like something unique and I like it because you can create your own face mask, and also 250 में 40 face masks is very good. So I got this to try. This is my first time I'm trying this face mask from Miniso, so I am so excited to try this, and I have seen many snaps of this, so I got to try it for myself, and if you like it you can also try it. The next thing I got is this is hanger. As you can see, I got 2 sets of 6, like one set is of 6, one set is of 6, and I got this 2 set for my cupboard. Also my closet is so mess right now, like every clothes is coming down whenever I open my cupboard, so that's the reason I got this to organize my closet. And this one set was for 190 rupees, which is like pretty okay because it is from a nice store, so इतना थोड़ा सा costly तो चलता है, but 190 is not that costly. And this is how it looks. इसमें अलग अलग size availables थे, and you can see what size you want. मुझे usually tops के लिए चाहिए था, तो I got this small size. And yeah, the next thing is this nail cutter. This is how it looks. And the thing I like about this nail cutter is like इसका ये cover है, like you need to open this and ये उसका cover है. So this is the thing I like about this nail cutter. And also इसका ये कलर बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा है, लाइक वो नॉर्मल स्टील के नेल कटर से तो अच्छा ही है दिखने में. सो या, एंड इसका प्राइस नहीं है फ़िलहाल इस पर, सो मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन में डाल दूँगी, देख लेना. अभी आई डोंट नो इसका प्राइस. एंड दिस इज़ हाउ. द नेक्स्ट इज़ दिस. मैंने इसमें मॉइस्चराइज़र स्टोर कर लिया है. दिस वॉज ऑल्सो फॉर 90 रुपीज़. एंड एज यू कैन सी, I told you this is so useful. Like this container are so useful, like you can store anything. So I would recommend you to go ahead and buy this kind of containers for your makeup. Like if you're a makeup lover, then you should definitely get this pouches and all that storage box, all of that stuff, because this is useful. The next thing I have is this cotton pad. So this is used to remove your makeup, and this was for 190 rupees. So it is pretty reasonable, and इतने सारे cotton pads हैं, so yeah, it is nice. And 190 rupees is reasonable only. And this is also very soft, like I'll show it to you. This is how it looks. So yes, you can just pour your makeup remover and remove it. This is also very soft. And so the next thing I want to show you, this is one of the best purchase from Miniso. So this is the box. You can store so many clothes in this. Like for me, this is so useful. Like my tops are just everywhere in the closet, so I can store my tops and jeans, bottoms, all of that stuff in this one thing. And this was for 500 rupees. थोड़ा सा costly, but let me tell you, this is so useful and this is totally worth. So I think you should go ahead and buy. And wait, I'll show you. जिसमें मैंने already कपड़े store किए हैं. One second. So this is how it looks. As you can see, अब मैंने कुछ भी डाल दिया अंदर. So this is like a huge container. You can store anything in this. and I would really suggest you to buy this because I personally love this. And also this quality is also very good, like not that chindi quality. So yeah, this is good, and you can store so many things in this. And yeah, now coming to the last two things that I want to show you. The first one is this cotton swab. This was for 190 rupees. Like everything is for 190 rupees, 90 rupees, so reasonable. So this is what I got. And the last thing I want to show you is this pouch. This was for 260 rupees and it has this glitter in it. As usual, I got this to store makeup, and this is cute. What it has written, make your own magic, make your own magic. So this pouch is little cute, and this is huge, huh? Like you can store all your makeup brushes in this. So yeah, this was the last thing I got. So here we come to the end of our video, and I personally love Miniso cause उसमें बहुत cute, funky, थोड़े अजीबोगरीब चीज़ें मिलते हैं. So I like that. Not अजीबोगरीब, like अच्छी चीज़ें मिलती हैं. So I like that, and also वो बहुत reasonable भी है. So that's the reason I would recommend you to go and visit Miniso store. मुंबई में Infinity या Inorbit Mall में है, and I visited to Delhi वाला store cause I'm in Delhi now. And also I will be uploading Sarojini Nagar wala haul soon. Like इसके बाद I am uploading Sarojini Nagar. So make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I have got so many things from there. So make sure you subscribe and wait for that video. And make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and I'll be seeing you next video. So bye bye.